Hello everyone, welcome to this video on getting started with CodeChef. My name is Kaushik Dodmani, President of CodeChef KLS GIT chapter from Department of Electronics and Communication, KLS Gokhale Institute of Technology. So this video is divided into four parts, wherein first we'll be discussing on what is CodeChef. Second, we'll be showing you all how to create an account on CodeChef. Third, we'll be discussing on what is CodeChef KLS GIT chapter. And last, we will be demonstrating you how to register yourself as a community member for CodeChef KLS GIT chapter. And please note that this is only for the students of KLS GIT. So let's get started. So let me just open the website. Just www.codechef.com. And don't worry guys, whatever URL we'll be using in this video, it would be shared in the description. So what is CodeChef? So CodeChef is a competitive programming community of programmers across the globe. It was started in the year 2009 by Directy, which is an Indian software company. Apart from hosting monthly contests for community, CodeChef has many initiatives for schools, colleges, women in competitive programming. You would be surprised to know that CodeChef is credited with hosting Indian regionals for prestigious ICPC for college students, as well as IOI for school students. And those who don't know what ICPC stands for, it's nothing but International Collegiate Programming Contest, and IOI stands for International Olympiad in Informatics. So this was all about CodeChef. Now we will be showing you how to create an account on CodeChef. So once you come to this website, this is how the platform would look like. Here you would be seeing some posters on the monthly contest which is hosted by CodeChef. Like you would be having lunchtime, cook-off, and long challenge. All those links, all those posters would be posted in the home page of CodeChef. So how to create an account? So once you reach on this website, all you have to do is click on this new user button, wherein you will be directed to this page. Here you need to enter your CodeChef username, and please note that there are some restrictions in entering this username, and those are that it should start with a lowercase letter. That is you can't use block letters or capital letters in your username, and it should be between 4 to 14 characters long. It cannot be less than 4 and it cannot be more than 14, and it must also end with a letter or a number, and it must not contain a sequence of 2 or more underscores. That is, you cannot have a username which is having 2 underscores consecutively. However, you can just have a single underscore. Next, your username can contain lowercase letters from A to Z or underscores. So adhering to all these rules, you can create a username, and if it's not taken by someone, then that username would be created in your name. Next, you need to enter your full name. Next, you need to enter your email ID along with your CodeChef password, your gender, your city, and your occupation. And here you need to select a programming language. You can select either a C, C++, Java, or anything. And don't worry guys, this will not affect your platform. Like whenever you want to participate in any contest which is hosted in CodeChef, it is not necessary that you need to use the same language which you have selected here. So just for creation of your account, for now you can select any language of your choice and then proceed with the registration. So once you have entered all the details correctly, CodeChef will give you an option to register. So you just have to click on this option, that is register. And once you click on this register button, you would be getting a confirmation page where you will be asked to verify your email. That is, you will be getting a code in your registered email ID. That is nothing but the email ID which you have just mentioned here. So in that inbox, you would be getting a code which you need to enter in the next page, and after that your account would be confirmed and you would be successfully creating your account on CodeChef. So next, what is CodeChef KLS GIT chapter? So let me just open the website. So CodeChef KLS GIT chapter is a chapter of CodeChef in the College of KLS GIT, which is exclusively made for GITians, and the vision of our chapter is to evolve as an outstanding club in transforming keen programmers from any discipline to a full-fledged competitive programmers. So you can have a look on this website. The link for this website would also be shared in the description. So now let me show you how to register yourself as a community member for CodeChef KLS GIT chapter. Let me just type the URL. It's nothing but codechef.com/chapter/college chapter/member. Don't worry guys, the URL would be shared in the description, so nothing to worry. So once you have successfully created your account, you would be having your CodeChef username. So remember that username guys. So once you get onto this page, you need to select your college chapter name. So for the students of KLS GIT, all you have to do is just search for KLS GIT, that is KLS Gokhale Institute of Technology. Then automatically you will be getting your chapter name as CodeChef KLS GIT chapter. Next you need to enter your full name. Next you need to enter your roll number. It can be your UID or it can be your USN. We ask students to preferably write their USNs. Next you can enter your CodeChef username. Next you need to enter a valid email ID along with your contact number, branch or department, and graduation year. On filling all the details properly, all you have to do is click on submit button, and then you have successfully registered yourself as a community member for CodeChef KLS GIT chapter. So that's it guys. If you have any queries, feel free to post your queries as a comment to this video. Thank you.